It's me. I'm at my mom's job right now. So yeah. And I'll show you a picture around. Look. This is the painting. Because she likes beauty salons. And it's raining right now. I'm going to show you. Look. Look at that. It's raining a lot out there. I don't know if it's raining too much. It's raining too much. Look at all that. It's raining too much. And yeah. It's raining a lot out there. I don't know if you can see, but it was raining so much. It's raining so much out there. Oh my god. You won't even believe it. Well, I'm not in Houston. I'm in Austin for a couple of days. I came back for a little and then I moved somewhere. I don't even know where this place is anyway. My mom does not own this place. So yeah, look. I'm wearing a bathing suit. I think I'm gonna go to the pool and I'm wearing a bathing suit under. It's actually a bathing suit. It's a big bathing suit. It's a little bathing suit. What's on top? I'm wearing. Hope this phone is following this. And a bathing suit under here. I'm actually wearing it because I want to get so wet out there. Mommy, can I go outside with my baby suit to get wet? Can I get wet? Me? Mommy? I'm wearing a bathing suit. Anyway, well, yeah. My finger is stuck. Oh god. Ow, 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 ow. That hurts. Anyway, my mom is obsessed with her new phone. And she is playing with it too much, you guys. Because her phone was messed up by herself because she was washing. And then she put it next to the hole in the washing it was water. She dropped it in there when she was putting one piece of clothes in there. She put a shirt in there and then it fell in and then it was not waterproof, so it broke. And now she has to buy one of these. So she got an LG, the same like mine. So, yeah. Oh, she wants to see the message. Excuse me for a minute. I'm gonna go check if it's still. Oh, it's raining bad outside. Bad. I don't know if you can see this. It's raining really, really bad up there. Look at all that rain. Rain. Oh, it's raining really bad. I don't think anyone is going to the taqueria. Taqueria out there. And it's raining really bad out here. Like, for real. Look at all this. at the cheese. Look at the cheese. Look what's happening to my car.